Hello everyone, and in this video I will be showing you how to install tracks into GTR2. So usually when you download a track for GTR2, you're going to get it in a zip folder like this one. So if you open the zip folder, you'll see your track name here. This is Queensland. And within here there's a whole bunch of files. All these files make up the track, and you're going to need this entire folder to install it into your game. So the best way to do this is to first copy this folder to your desktop. We can close that out. And then you have to navigate to the install of your game for GTR2. Now I have the Steam version of the game, so I have to navigate to the Steam folder, but if you have the disk version, I believe the location is program files slash either Simbin or GTR2. It's one of those two. But I have the Steam version, so I have to navigate to my Steam folder and then to where the game is installed. Now from this point forward, whether you have the Steam version or the disk version, your installation method is going to be the same. So I come in here, then you'll need to go to Game Data, and then to Locations. In here you can see all the tracks, which some of these are base games, some of these are add-ons that I have installed. And all you have to do is simply take this folder from your desktop, drag it, and drop it in here, and your track is installed. You should be able to boot up the game and select the track in the track selection menu. Now, one other thing here is that sometimes tracks will have multiple layouts in one folder. So I have one example here, this Rockingham track. So you see here, here's that main folder. Now if you open this folder, you notice there's some other folders within here, and you see all these other files as well. You do not pull out the individual layouts and put them in the locations folder. You need to take this entire folder, again, copy it to your desktop, and then simply drag and drop it into the locations folder. And now all of these layouts will be available in-game. So this is kind of the master file here, has all the main parts, and then these folders have a few extra files that define individual layouts. So all these layouts would now be available in my game. If I were to start it up, I could go in and select any of the layouts that came with the track. And that's pretty much it for installing tracks into GTR2. Sometimes, I've only come across this a couple of times, usually it's in zip folders. You might have, instead of a zip folder, the track is in an executable file. So then all you have to do is point the executable to your GTR2 locations folder, or, as I would recommend doing it, have the executable installed to the desktop and drag and drop into your locations folder from there, which I think is the better way to do it, so you don't accidentally have files overwritten or other things changed that you don't want changed by the installer. So that's all for this video. I hope it's helpful, and go and find some tracks and have fun.